Dex Guru has changed from a trading platform to the Guru Network. It uses AI and Web3 technology to make data analysis and process management better. Dex Guru V2 and its automations give a special experience to people who have the Guru NFT Season 1 pass. They are the first to learn about the Atomic franchise ecosystem and how the Guru Network powers it. On Dex Guru, you pick Guru arts to generate. This creates a generation order that Dex Guru sends to the Guru Network as an agent order. The PixelPact node reads this order and starts the generation process using its own AI processors designed with comfy UI and extra context. It sends the completed order back to Dex Guru node, and then you can review it. You can regenerate the art, share it on social media, and earn an invite for the Season 2 NFT mint.
Hey guys, welcome to our weekly Guru Insider IMA. And before we delve into our B2B developments and our ecosystem project Burning Meme, let me remind you that we have Guru Meme Mania. It's a meme contest, and 1 hour ago we just announced round 6 winners. And who are the winners? Team choice winner is this meme, and Twitter winner is this meme. Discord meme winner was this meme. So just by looking at winners, you can understand how to participate. So basically, you post a meme on Twitter with the hashtag GuruMemeMania, mention us in this meme, and ask your friends to vote for it. And you have a chance to win $100 in Guru token. But you can increase your chances to win more because at the same time, your meme can be chosen by team as the funniest meme of the week, and it can be chosen by the community in our Discord. It's the funniest meme of the week. We'll vote inside Discord. So it's basically 3 nominations, and you can win in every one of them. Full rules you can find in our blog and in our docs, and we will put the links under this post so you can participate in this contest and bring some laughs. And after that, our CEO Evgeny joined us, and he will talk more about all the exciting developments of this week. Over to you, Evgeny.
Thanks for the intro, and thanks for covering Meme Mania. And this is a kind of competition we're doing for several weeks already, and we basically gathering the context for products which which are launching right now on Guru Network. And of course, we're working on Burning Meme launch as well, along with Burning Meme team, and this actual memes would have its own place within their Burning Meme quests, which we would cover further down the line. So let's start from what's going on with Guru Network, where we are, what's changed since last week. And let me start sharing the screen. And I myself in developer's office and in Guru Network developer's office in Belgrade right now. We are working hard on our future launches, development of our framework, as well as adjusting it to the needs of ecosystem applications, which are currently in development, as well as would be in development, because we are working on partnerships with other chains where we would be doing hackathons together, and Guru framework would be like framework there which provided to the hackers, so hackers would be able to utilize it to build new cool stuff using our orchestration and data analytics and AI toolset. As we develop in our own products using this framework, as well as we have ecosystem projects developing using this framework, we constantly polishing how it's done, so it's much easier to be utilized by not only by us when we develop in like Dex Guru, for example, using that framework, but by other teams, and so it would be easy to use and easy to develop, as we basically declared initially in our white paper. So yeah, let's start covering what we have. I'm sharing the screen right now, and let's go. Again, in regards of our Guru framework, that's a part of our offering, and we were talking about it in our white paper as a thing which would allow dApps to connect to our orchestration system to basically easily develop your app within different front ends hooked up to it, develop business kind of business logic using a low code environment and using BPMN standard, and then you basically grabbing it's a block explorer, grabbing Guru framework off the shelf, and if you have a good idea of application, you can just grab Guru framework and everything already baked in. We have like GUI baked in, we have like Telegram bot baked in, we have smart contracts which are hooked up to those business process diagrams, which you can utilize, which are responsible for locking in and locking tokens, and of course subset of external workers which you can use combining on those flows. And that's exactly the offering we have for Guru Network. That's like the core idea which we have inside it. And based on this core idea, we are powering up the builders, and powering up the builders, we provide in this subset of products, which is like Dex Guru itself, Block Explorer. Block Explorer, obviously, it's a developer's toolset because you have like verification of smart contracts there. You can interact with them especially when you building a hackathon. Like Block Explorer should be supporting all the test nets and so on. And with our partnering chains, we spinning up Block Explorer for them, and then we are supporting hackathons together. Data Warehouse is another great product which allowing to get data easily out of data sets which are indexed by Guru Indexer, which is another open source product of ours. The next one is Flow Orchestrator, and Flow Orchestrator is exactly about how to orchestrate different business flows, how to combine different Web3 automations with AI processors, with user actions together. And that's another product we provide into our partner chains, and as well as which is widely used within our own products and our existing products, which are built on top of Guru Network Testnet right now, which allows for all this magic to happen. As well as we have AI processors as a service. As part of Flow Orchestrator, you have like those boxes which you can combine together and create AI processors. And Guru framework, I already covered that's a core component of our system. And working towards those integrations of those products into different chains actually getting us closer and closer to the idea of multi-chain Web3 automations and AI processors tool set, which is exactly niche we as Guru Network that's exactly niche we are working in as a network, as a developers who's providing all those products, and as developers who's eager to get all those solutions to the market, get them adopted, and those solutions actually hooked up to great products. They are increasing the crypto adoption overall, like chains adoption overall, and that's the main kind of value we bring to crypto as a project itself. That's basically what we have for B2B products, and based on those B2B products we build in ourselves. So for example, V2 Dex Guru built on top of it like that. We also add in Telegram applications tool set on top of it. An example of it would be like a burning meme. And for example, this is like how burning meme right now looks like. This is like initial screen where there are like generations, there are like referral links sharing, and all you do there is actually getting you those burns, which happens on Guru Network testnet right now. So anything you do in this application actually referenced in our new testnet, which we just launched 2 weeks ago in partnership with Conduit. So it's layer 3 on base testnet, and that's what we testing right now in the testnet, that everything what you do in this Telegram application sorry, for example, going through user quests for different activities is actually reflected in actual tokens transferred on chain. We're doing it right now on our Guru Cipolle testnet, and with mainnet launch, all those mechanics would be transferred to our mainnet, and more applications we have utilizing Guru framework, utilizing those mechanics which are designed in our flow. More utility for Guru token we have. That's kind of obvious, right? And that's exactly why I'm here, why I'm in our developers office, crushing along with our great developers. So we delivering what we actually were proposing and what we are talking about in our white paper and light paper, and all those things you can find on our website and here in developers documentation. Like here is the docs, here is light paper, here's white paper, and with every week passing, we are closer and closer to actual mainnet release and to bring in Guru framework where it's supposed to be as a tool set for everyone to build their own dApps easily, not struggling with like smart contract developers or not struggling with UI development, because everything is provided in there. And as I mentioned, we already have different integrations there. So there is like not only engine to run business logic, but there is like UI framework, like standardized UI. Anyone can spin up, and that would be something you already starting on top of. This is like a Telegram bot framework, which is hooked up to the same kind of diagrams, process definition diagrams, and everything. And with Burning Meme development, because Burning Meme itself, it's like a Telegram app, we also add in Telegram app framework in there. So for anyone who's participating in hackathons, which we are supporting along with our other partners, that would be a tool set to develop fast, whatever you do. It could be like Telegram bots, Telegram apps, different UIs, or or some infrastructure projects if you're interested in that. And we also provide a subset of different workers based on our own experience and our own products, which are doing different things. Web3 workers, those are for automating transactions. We have a concept similar to account abstraction in there, which allows you to do transfers without user participation and so on and so forth. There is like tool set there for NFT generation and minting using AI processors, tool set for different LLM workers, which are providing answers from Ollama LLM models, and other stuff. So we are providing like bricks which anyone can combine and create their own building from them. That's covering our kind of B2B offering there, what we offering to the chains and what we offering as those products right now. But same products actually we using the same products to grow our own Guru network ecosystem, and more products would be launching on Guru network, first on testnet, then on mainnet. We right now testing different mechanics there, hooked up to network transfers, to different AI processors, to Web3 automations, and so on and so forth. That's what's related to our products, right? So let's dive into our X and go through what's happening through the week there. Guru Meme Mania, actually great memes. We right now internally we sharing those memes, and actually like within an internal group there are pretty funny ones. So thank you guys for participating. Great kind of community participation there, and all those memes actually we are summing them up, and they became in the context of AI processor, which we would have working along with as a part of Burning Meme Quest. So there would be a quest there which is related to the memes you guys submitting right now, and participating in those quests would actually give you T-Gurus, which are part of our kind of, that's how you would be able to earn your airdrops after mainnet launch and so on. So thanks for participating in Burning Meme competitions. It's all getting somewhere. It's not only competition to earn some gurus right now, but it's actually giving us like a context for image generation, which would be a part of our cool quest, which we baking inside the Burning Meme right now. What else we have in there? Again, here we covering that we not only hooked up in our own ecosystem, but as a multi-chain Web3 automations and AI compute layer, we partnering with multiple chains, and we started it as a Dex Guru product because Dex Guru is multi-chain DeFi aggregators. That's why in Dex Guru we already supporting multiple chains, and now with Guru Network we just following the same path and not only providing data analytics for all the chains, but providing execution frameworks for all those chains as well. Yeah, and all about it. So that's what we focused on, especially right now, like getting our products on multiple chains, getting our flow orchestration nodes deployed on multiple chains. So we are building like ecosystem, which we are, which basically is the core infrastructure of Guru Network as multi-chain interoperability level and multi-chain Web3 automation and orchestration level. Yeah, that's what we're busy with. Baking right now Burning Meme along with Burning Meme team. So we are providing infrastructure. They are building actual application on top of our framework. Along with it, we are polishing all our products as well as our main product right now, which is Guru framework, because easier to build using framework. It's more applications we would have utilizing Guru network. And preparing for the mainnet launch. That's why we 2 weeks ago we launched a new testnet, which is like base Cipollea testnet. And again, I was showing already a new block explorer hooked up to it. Yeah. So this is like Cipollea testnet, and we migrating functionality from our old testnet to new testnet, as well as migrating balances there as well, like testing how it would work from testnet to mainnet, then like creating how we would migrate those testnet balances to mainnet and distribute those airdrops there. We testing that as well. So summing it up, actively preparing for mainnet launch, polishing our products, helping ecosystem projects to launch. And that's exactly what happened in this week since our last call, and actually a week before that. But that's the work. We continue building. Yeah, that's pretty much covering it. And switching back to Snark Scout. What about questions? Do we have questions?
Yeah, we have one question, which is asked very often. And this question is, when talking?
It's an interesting question because we already launched Guru token, but maybe it's more about like airdrops or something, like when it would be distributed to the community or something. Yeah, and it's actually covered in our distribution chart. If you'll just go to our landing page, find the distribution section in there, we're actually covering it when airdrops are happening and how the vesting schedule for them as well. And as TGE was in June, and in 4 months we will start distribution airdrops. So it means like in the end of September, October, we'll start basically preparing for airdrops distribution. And we're already preparing for that because all those activities you guys doing on testnet is basically the base for distribution of airdrops on our mainnet. And as we testing of migrating of those balances between testnets, that's exactly what we're testing for. So token itself is launched and trading on Texas and on DEXs. Airdrop distribution would be within our mainnet launch, and we actively preparing for that. Anything else we have?
Thank you, Evgeny. I'm checking it right now. Since it's multi-stream, it's on Twitch, on Discord, on Twitter, on YouTube.
I see another one in regards of prizes and everything. Yeah, we have Guru Meme Mania with those prizes for Guru memes, which are distributed every week. Along with it, we are preparing for developers prizes because we are polishing Guru framework right now to be a product which allows people to develop things, and we will have developers quests and tasks prepared that would happen in September, and those developers tasks and quests would be So by finishing them, you would be able to basically get prizes for actual development and for building on top of Guru Network, or for doing different researches in data warehouse. But we need to do a little bit of preparation there. Basically create a scope for those tasks, as well as requests for researches in data warehouse, and so on and so forth. Working on it in September, that would start happening.
And if you want to participate as a builder, you can fill the form. We have a link to it on all our comments in all stream sources. And filling this form kind of sets you in place. And when all this program will be started at full steam, we will reach out to you and tell you everything firsthand.
Yeah, we also, when we're preparing this program, we're not only preparing on the our side of it. I'm also talking to different partners who's helping with those things. During Istanbul Blockchain Week, where I've been last week, we had a couple of discussions with the community there, who's doing exactly that, like helping projects to organize developers' work on this kind of rewards basis, and would declare those partnerships when they nail down. But yeah, that's currently in preparation. Any other questions we have for AMA? Nope.
To the moment, we do not have any different question. Thank you, Evgeny.
Yeah, let me just show you a little bit of a team right now. So here we have all the team members who's crushing and working on Guru Network, and happy to be here in Belgrade, working along with the guys, creating new products, and doing all those great things to prepare for mainnet launch and all those projects which we right now preparing and polishing. Yeah.
Meet you guys there.
Yeah. Thanks for your time, and thanks for your interest in the Guru Network, and see you at next weekly call.
Thank you, Evgeny. And since we have more people to the end of this AMA than from the start, I will repeat that we have this Meme Mania competition. 1 hour and a half ago, we announced winners of this week. This is a Team Choice winner. This is Twitter winner. This is a Discord winner, which basically leads us to how this contest works. You post your meme on Twitter, put hashtag GuruMemeMania, mention us, and ask your friends to vote for you in Twitter. If you want to get more than $100 in Guru token as a winner, you can also participate in our Discord and ask all your friends to bring their votes too. And another nomination is just what the team this week thinks is the most funny. We also vote for all the memes, and the meme with the most votes gets the team choice. And that's kind of it.
Yeah,
Thank you, everyone.
Participating in memes. It also would be included in future quests and Burning Meme. Thank you all, and yeah, see you next week.
Thank you, everyone.